Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode of this cool measurement right here, and basically what this is a mesh laundry bag. And basically what's really cool about this laundry bag that we have right here is a pop-up foldable laundry bag. And the one that we got right here is from the brand called House Again, and they call this the laundry hamper. So when you guys first get the product, this is what it looks like right here. Let me actually take it out to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, you see they provide you guys this piece of paper right here. And then see, it's from that brand right there, and this is what it looks like right here. And they provide you guys some more information about the product as well right here. And if you guys are curious about how to set up the product, they basically provide you guys all the information right here. So there's step-by-step instructions right here. But right here we have the actual product. If you can see, it definitely looks like a high quality material that they use on here. I purchased another one in the past, and I'll show you guys what that looks like in a second after we open up this one. So I'm actually opening up this one first to show you guys what it actually looks like. So you basically want to open up this part right here, and then open it up. And then once you guys open up, this is what it looks like on this side, and this is what it looks like on this side. If you guys open up again, you can basically pull this part open right here. And once you guys open it up, this is what it looks like right here. So we do have this option right here for you guys to put stuff inside right here if you guys want to. But definitely really nice how they have like that mesh material on here. That feels really nice. It definitely feels like a high quality material as well. On bottom part right here, you can see this is basically what the product looks like. Definitely feels like a nice fabric that they have on here. And throughout the part right here inside, it definitely has a high quality frame to actually help you guys hold your laundry inside. And then right here is a strap option that we just took out. And then right here and right here, we do have the handle option for you guys to carry around if you guys want to. And right here, you see we do have an opening right here. And then this is basically what the top part looks like. Definitely love the way how they designed this option right here. So that way it actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to put your laundry in. And that way it won't fall out as easy, which is pretty cool. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first take it out. So obviously the one that we got here is a blue color. They do have other color options available as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which ones prefer. But definitely when you got the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material. But I'm actually bring the other one and show you guys what that one looks like as well. Alright, so here is the other one that I've been using almost every single day. I've been loving it a lot. So basically it works the same way. You guys want to open up right here. And open up like that. And we have to open up this part here. And pull it open. It basically works the same way. So you see in the front part right here, we do have the slot right here as well. And top part right here, we do have this two strap that I can carry around if you guys want to. But the top part, you see the way how they design it is fully open. It's not like the other one that I show you guys. And when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality mesh material as well. And then the bottom part, this is what it looks like here. It basically feels like the same or a similar material that they use on here as well. But basically for both of these right here, when you guys are done using it, just go like that. You basically want to twist this part right here, just like that, to close it back up. And then you guys are all done with this one. Same thing applies to this one as well. Just close it out like this. You basically want to just twist it. You want to use this option right here to close it back up. And you guys are basically all set. So this is basically what both of them looks like right here. When you guys feel the material between both of these right here, this one right here definitely feels like a high quality product than this one right here. There's something about the fabric or the material that they use on here that feels like a high quality material. But I'm actually opening up both of them to show you guys a side-by-side comparison. Alright, so when you guys open up both of them, this is basically actually looks like for both of them right here. So you see both of them definitely looks like the same thing. But the one on the right side right here definitely looks and feels like a high quality product. But definitely when you guys look at the top part here, you can definitely see the difference on here. This one's actually much easier for you guys to actually put stuff inside, and that way it won't fall off as easy compared to the other one that we have on this side right here. But when you guys look at the side-by-side comparison, you can definitely see that both of them are basically the same size. So definitely can put a lot of clothes inside right here. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for both of these right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially trying to look for a high quality foldable laundry basket or laundry bag like this. Then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.